package contents. First up, you can see a really nice instruction guide walking us through leg assembly, the hub, and the wireless charging. Then we have a couple different USB cables right here. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C cable that's labeled as the charging line to connect the power. So it's going to plug right in to this nice Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 power brick that will plug directly into your wall. Then we have a USB Type A 3.0 cable right here with the male end and a USB Type C cable end right here as well. And this is going to plug into your computer. This is a data transmission cable for the included USB hub, which we can see right here. Here's the USB 3.0 hub. Looks really nice, great quality. This is identical to the other leg, except it actually has the USB 3.0 hub built right in. We can look on the back of this hub and see the data transmission on this side with the computer icon that says USB 3.0 and has the Type C port. And then we have the power transmission on this side with the power icon, and you can see the USB Type C port right there as well. And then last but not least, here's the stand base as well. Looks really nice, has their logo and branding down here on the bottom left-hand corner, and your really nice wireless charging pad right there. We can flip it over as well, and there you go. You can see the connect power for the charging line. So we'll plug in all of those things in just a minute to get this set up. It's got nice aluminum construction as well, so it's very durable. This charging monitor stand assembled now. It was as simple as just sliding the two legs onto the top of the aluminum stand. Now let's go ahead, let's flip it over for you guys to see the wire configuration that we currently have it set up as. This is to support the wireless charging. So the first cable we have right here is your B cable. So you can see we have the wall end plugged into the B slot on the wireless charger. This is our power cable, and it's clearly marked B for us right there. Then we have to take the built-in A cable, which is on the wireless charger as well, clearly marked A, in multiple places, and plug it into the A spot on the USB 3.0 hub. Then we can take our last cable, which is the computer cable. You can see that right here. This is going to plug into our actual computer, and it plugs into the computer icon slot on the USB 3.0 hub as well. And again, it has the matching computer icon for you. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the USB 3.0 hub setup. So for this configuration, to be able to charge your mobile devices quickly or to power external hard drives for data transfer, we have to unplug the A cable for the wireless charger, unplug the B cable from the B input, and we're going to take that B cable and plug it directly into the A input on the USB 3.0 hub, while leaving the data transmission cable with the computer icon plugged in at its current spot. Now we can charge our devices quickly via USB and power external hard drives. Now let's go ahead, let's get a monitor and set this up. So we put a 24-inch LG monitor on this stand, and it's very stable, very sturdy, and we have plenty of room for an even bigger monitor if we want. And we're not blocking the wireless charging pad at all. We also have the USB 3.0 hub plugged in right now, and everything's working properly. We even have a nice indicator light here on the left-hand side showing us when it's receiving power and that it's ready to transmit data. Now let's look at the wireless charging pad in a little bit more detail. Now we have our phone charging on the built-in wireless charging pad. Everything works great just like it should. So let's go ahead now and plug in some USB devices to the hub. So now we have a wireless USB mouse plugged in and a USB external hard drive, and both of those are working just fine on the USB 3.0 hub. So I just want to mention really quick that I was able to transmit data using this external hard drive in both configurations that we went over in this video. So I was skeptical that it wouldn't work in the wireless charging mode, because that's what they say in the instructions, that you need to have that auxiliary power boost basically directly to the USB 3.0 hub. But I didn't have any problems using it just as you see right here in this video. But I also want to point out that I did try it with their recommended settings, where I removed this and plugged it directly into the hub, and that worked great as well.